Hello, parents. This is Marlboro County School District's virtual learning guide to walk you through helping your child log into our devices and programs. When your child turns on their Chromebook, they should see this login screen. They will type in the Google login that was given to them by the teacher, and they will type in their password, which is their 5-digit student number. Another application that they will need to log into each day is Clever. What they'll do is click login as a student. Their username for Clever is their 5-digit student number, the same student number that they use for their Google password. And their password is student, and then they would click login. Once they do that, they will come to this screen. They will type in the name of their school here. Make sure that they type in the full name of their school. These are some of the apps that Clever has. It holds all of the apps your child will need this school year. Our most used apps are Study Island, Seesaw, Mastery Connect, Schoology, and Savas, which is our textbooks. Seesaw is another application that your students will use this year. Our kindergarten through second grade students will use Seesaw. They could go to seesaw.me, or they could log on to it through Clever. They have a Seesaw app right inside of Clever. When they click that app, it will take them to this screen, and they will click I am a student, and then they will put in the code that their teacher has given them for their class and click go. The next application is Schoology. Schoology will be used for our 3rd through 12th grade students. Every child in 3rd through 12th grade was given a Schoology username. Their password for Schoology is student. Your child will put in their username and password, and then they must type their school name in. They must type their entire school name in. Make sure that it's the correct school, that it has a green arrow, and then you will be able to click login. Parents, if you have any questions about how to get into an application, contact your child's teacher. If you don't have your child's username or password for any programs, if you have questions about where assignments are posted, if you do not have access to your classes in any program, or if you need your login times, contact your school technician if your child cannot log on to his or her Chromebook. If your child does not have sound, if any program that your child was instructed to access by his or her teacher is blocked, contact the school if your child's Chromebook has been damaged in any way. Also, if you have contacted the teacher and technician for any of the above problems and have not received assistance by the end of the school day. This is a list of our technicians by school, along with their email addresses. Please feel free to contact them if you have technical issues with your Chromebook.